So for the microelectronic sales document, you'll need to open both the Word document and the picture because we need to add the month of March and the total, so you'll need those amounts. So you can either click the Insert Control button to add a new column between February and totals, or in the Table Tools layout, if you're in February, you would choose Insert Right, and if you're in totals, you would use Insert Left. But I'm just going to click the Insert Control and get a whole new column, and I'll type March, and then the down arrow, and start filling in the amounts. Down arrow. Once the amounts are typed in, you can go ahead and increase the size of your Word document, and we need to get totals of January, February, and March for John Young. So you'll click the Table Tools Layout, Formula. It's already set up for equals sum left, which is exactly what you want. In the number format, choose the longest one, which will give you the $sign, the commas, and decimal in 2 places, and click OK. Then carefully press the down arrow, F4, which is repeat, and continue down, and F4. And then, if you did it here, it wouldn't work because there's no totals to the left. But I'm going to click under January, and I wanted to add everything above. So formula automatically knows equals sum above. I'll choose the formatting, number formatting, and then I'll just click in here, F4, F4, and F4. If you want to, because first name is not fitting, you can just adjust it so that it fits all on one line. And then we're going to go into design, but before we do that, we want to sort by their last name, and then if 2 people have the same last name, like Smith, you would then sort by first name. So what you need to do is select just the rows that you want to center, because you don't want it to sort by L and last name or by T for total. So select just the ones you want to work with and go into A to Z sort, and what you want to do is sort by column 1 and then sort by column 2. So it'll first sort by last name, and if they have the same last name, they'll go to first name. Ascending order for both, and click OK. So it's alphabetic order. Who is the 2 Smiths? Ann is first. Perfect. And if you wanted to put the title in WordArt, you could just select it, insert, and choose the WordArt, and select anything you'd like. You want to make it a little bit wider so it's all on one line, you can. You want to get into text effects, where I went into transform. You can do anything you like. Change the either the outline or the fill, either one, whatever you like. And then the table, go ahead into design and more options and select any table style you'd like. And if we were to look at this now, view as one page, it's all at the top. So if you wanted, you could go to layout, page setup, layout, and choose center. And it's up to you if you want to put a page border, page color, and there you have it. That's a save and submit. Thank you.